Last class, we started with importance of modules. Why do you go for modules, guys? Why do you go for modules? For reusing the variables, functions, class names across the programs. For that purpose, we go for what? Modules. We go like this, right? Now, already the part of the class, we already discussed it. How to develop importance of module. We already discussed in our class importance of module, what function can do, what module can do, what is the definition of module, types of modules, predefined and what programmer defined. And I told in the class how to develop the programmer defined modules, which folder is created automatically, what are the steps for that, all those things we have seen. To develop the programmer defined modules, define the variables, define functions, define the classes. And we don't know third step. Nothing to worry about the third step, students. We'll take care about it. So, after developing step number 1 and step number 2, 3, you must save on some file name with an extension .py, file name .py, and it must be treated as what? Module name. So, every Python file is treated as module name. So, when a file is treated as a module name, internally Python execution environment create a folder automatically on the name of __ PyCache, and it contains a module name on the name of your file name, and the standard name of Python is CPython, and the version of it 311.pyc. PYC stands for what? Python compiled version. And it contains what code, ma? Bytecode will be there. What code? Bytecode will be there. So __ PyCache, which contains some file names with an extension .pyc here. These are all called module names we can call. And we have seen some examples also in the class. Okay, na? So let us, one more example I will teach. Then I'll go for our index. What is our index of the module, students? If you remember me. So there I said one is what? This we have seen yesterday by using import with the 4 syntaxes, by using from import statement with 3 syntaxes, totally 7 syntaxes will be there with import. 2 approaches are available. What are the 2 approaches? I already told you in the last class. It's a very easiest topic today. So this is the way of using it. By using import statement and from import statement, and import statement syntax number 1, syntax number 2, and syntax number 3 with alias name, syntax number 4 with all alias names with the module names. Okay. From import also there, students. From and import are the keywords. And syntax number 1 and syntax number 2, variable aliasing, function aliasing, class name aliasing. And syntax number 3, star approach. This is not recommended. I told you already. This syntax not recommended. I told you why it is not recommended. I told the performance point of view. This is about last scenario. Let me take one example, students. One more example I want to tell you. In PyCharm, I will show you how to do it. Same. PyCharm also same. Everywhere else same only. Not a difficult. Let's go to the PyCharm. Once I will go for it. Now. So look into this. So I'll remove this type of stuff. Open this kind of things. Existing folders you open, existing project you close it. And if anything is there at 7 a.m., go for what some 7 a.m. modules. 7 a.m. modules I'm taking. There I would like to go for it. So, there I'm going to take up. See students, I'll take one small thing. Here I am taking file name multable.py. Take your own part of it. multable.py. This is a file name I am taking students. Right. So I'm writing here multable.py. There I'm writing DEF. Once a module is coming, this is called what? From now onwards, you remember, boys, every file name is acting as module name. So I'm taking DEF table of n. So or directly you can take inside only, you can access. N is equal to int of input of enter a number for generating what table? MUL table. Now I'm writing if n less than or equal to 0, if you say that it is invalid. Is invalid. Not format of what? N. Dot format of n. So I'm saying else here. So I'm going to print it. So I'm saying some 50. So there I'm going to say print of, come in more, multiplication table for dot format of what? N, I'll say. And the print of like this I am taking 50. So let us go for writing the code. For I in range of 1, 11, print of I'm saying that some backslash t, I'm taking here some backslash t, dot format of what I'm saying, I'll take it as what? N comma I comma n into I. N comma I comma n into I. So n comma I comma n into I. So n, right? So this is the output of this code. Now I'll be saying that. Here I will write the symbol. Here I will write it is equal to, I'll take like this. So 3 values are there. Definitely 3 empty curly braces required. Okay, students, now you say this is called what? I'm not writing any multiplication main program. I'm not doing. If earlier we used to do what? Main program here only. How we used to call? I used to call a function name called what? Table of I used to say. If I run my code, I used to get the answer. Testing. I'm just testing my example. So I'll say 5. Fifth table I used to get it. Okay. If I used to run it, -6 or something, if I write it, it is used to give you invalid input. But today I'm not running in my place, where I'm running in some other program. How do you do that, ma? Same thing. Go to the same. I already told you that should be there in the same place. In the same folder, your module must be there, plus your main program must be there. That is in the tomorrow's class I'll go for different folders. I will take it. I will develop the program in PyCharm. I will call it in Edit Plus. I will develop the program in Edit Plus. I will call it in PyCharm. Wherever you like it, I will execute it. Okay. So that is called a package concept. Different folders, different environments, all those things will take care of it. So right now I'm going to take one more program now. So I'm going to take it new Python file. I'm going to take it. So what is this now? MUL table demo. I'm taking MUL table demo.py. MUL table demo.py. I'm going to take it. So I'm going to take it something like this. MUL table demo.py. So there I am taking. What should I do now? What is the function name? Table. Previous program. MUL table is what? File name as well as what? Module name. And this is going to be called as what? File name is calling. Table of. Now you try to run this. Error is coming. Red underline is there. It indicates that it is going to be an error. So what is this now? Observe it. Not defined. Do you mean tuple? So tuple now, we want to call it as table only. How many ways are there to do this? Come on. Import, I say, MUL table. MUL table. If I write it, here I can write it as what? MUL table dot, MUL table dot table. MUL table dot table. Now you are getting it. Now you are getting it. MUL table dot table, you are getting it. So there is no red underline, nothing is there. Now you try to run it now. It is giving the answer now. 8 answer is coming. Are you following? Right. So coming to the point of it, go to back. Here I am going to say, coming to the point of it, MUL table as M. MUL table as M. I will take it as what? M dot table of. What is this M dot? As M, alias name. So run this code. You said 18th table you give, and 18th table answer is coming. So next I am going to take it, MUL table as M I am giving. So this is what, with what? Single module, directly called, with a module name I called. You can do in another way also. What is that? From MUL table, import table directly. Import what? Table I will say. So I will say table. So there I can call directly what? Table. Table of. I can call it. Run this now. Say 13th table. The 13th table is coming. So 13th table is coming. Coming to the point of run it once again. You say 0. 0 is called what? Invalid input. You can say, you can give alias name also as a T you can give. So you can say T also. T also. Now you see, execute it. Some 25th table I want. 25th table is coming. So these are the ways and means of it. Import star you say. Import star you say. That time you need to call it as what? Original name. Original name you need to call it. So I'll run this. Say here 6. And 6 is an answer is coming. Right? These are the different ways and means. So I prefer to go for this type of description here. So 9th table I want to get it. Now I'm getting the 9th table, something like this. Are you able to follow? Yes. So this concept is comes under how to develop a program and how to reuse everywhere else. Are you following? Right. Now it is the time to see, to go for another topic I want to introduce. Reloading the modules, I want to go for it. Reloading the modules is my topic today. So very, very easy, not a difficult. Reloading the module. Reloading the modules. So what is the use of reloading the modules? Online students. So when I joined the class, only 168 people are there. And meantime, after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you people are joining. So 233 people are there. Still 30 more people to join. So where they are joining, I don't know. So still need to join. Okay. Next, anyhow, supposed to start. We'll start on time. If you join or not, our bus will move forward. Next, reloading the modules. So whether you join or not, by sitting in the class, if you sleep or not, I'll continue the session. Okay. It's a continuous journey. So it's a Vande Bharat Express. We cannot stop. Right? Sit properly. Sitting like in a park, like a marriage function hall, you are sitting. Come here. Bring your bag. Or sit there. There only you sit. Now, open the notes. Now, so, Anand, the show must go on. Okay. So, shall we start? Right. And some of you, the way which you are sleeping, I really like it. Sleeping and waking up, sleeping and waking up. It's really nice. It's a good art also. Good syntax also. Oh, good, na? Right. Shall we start up? Okay. Shayad, how many students are there in the offline? Once you come to offline student, you can come to that. Okay. Now let us move to the further. I'll start with what is the use of reloading the module. Take some situations here, students. Take some situations. Take some situations like you take example, share market, you take it. Share market. Share market, shares. How that information will be shown for every seconds, for every minutes, the share value will be changing or not. Right. Now you take it when you are watching the cricket in browser or in Google or somewhere else, cricket live update score is going on or not. So cricket score in internet. So cricket score in internet, you see. So what is this meaning if you look into that? If you look into this place, for every few seconds, for every few minutes, what is going on? Reloading. So I'm opening browser and I'm seeing the official website of the cricket, and I started and seeing that how the runs are increasing. Automatically, is that runs are going to be fixed or changing? Changing during the ball to ball, how many overs completed, who is bowling, who is facing, all those information will be given or not. What is that concept is called? Come on, reloading the modules. Reloading to whom? To the viewers who are viewing that. They are going to get what? Up-to-date information will be given. So if something is modified, that modified data will be given back to the viewers. That time they will go for which concept? Actually, this reloading concept you will come across in Django level. But I want to teach in Python level itself, because in Django level directly you can use it. So what do you mean by reloading? If any type of external places, if somebody updated that code or something, that changed version of the module, I want to get it as a part of my program. That is the use of what? Reloading. Let me give you an example first so that you can understand it. So this program, if I want to get the effect of reloading, what is required? One system, one program is required. Another system, another viewing is required. Are you first of all following? Cricket live update score changed in one place, and we are viewing across the universe. Viewing across the universe is called what? Viewer layer, viewing layer. And another person who is changing is called what? Modified layer. Though that modified data should be reloaded in the internet so that it will be distributed to every viewer who is in the Google, right or not? Across the internet, whoever is there, the data will be disseminated. That will be transferred to everybody. That is the meaning of what? Reloading the content. So let me go for it, students. I'll go for an example. Let us take one example which I would like to give. But both of them I am showing in where? Same program, same system I am going to show. Two programs I will write it. So I am going to write a shares file name and what? Module name. File name and what? Module name. I am writing DEF. I am taking here shares info. I am writing here shares info. I am writing. Now I am writing D1 is equal to. Now I am writing 10 colon, or I can write IT share 500. And next is called pharma share. Pharma shares is called what is 500 or something like 400. Next is called what IT share is 500. Pharma share is 400. And next is called what automobile shares. Automobile shares is something like 300. And next is called what finance share. Finance shares is something like 600. For example, this is the data I took it. And I said that key comma value pair. Are you following me? Key comma value pair. What I am doing next? Return D1 I am saying. Simple example. Return D1 I am saying. What is happening here? This type of data, I will be saving it. Go to the place, shares info, shares.py. So I'm taking in the form of dictionary, share name and its value. Okay, at this point of time, this is a part. I will write it one program. That is one more program I am writing. What is the program name? Sharesdemo.py. Sharesdemo.py. What is this sharesdemo.py? File name. And it is a main program I can say. I can say it is a main program. Main program I am going to say. What is that? I am writing one main program, students. I am writing one main program. See that now. I want to call this function, students. Which function? Shares info function I want to call it. Shares info function I want to call it. So shares info function, how do you call it? First I need to do what? Import shares. That module name I will use it. That module name I will use it. Dot what? I same. Returns what? One dict object is returning, correct? So shares info function is returning what, ma? Shares info function is returning what? Dictionary. So that I am going to hold it. Now I want to print it. Just to see, students, print of D. Print of D. Execute this code, sharesdemo.py. To see the students, you observe it. Here I am going to say, coming to the command prompt, carefully observe it. Py, say 7 AM. There I will take it as modules here. So there I will run this code. What is this now? Py, sharesdemo.py. And there is no module named called what? Shares. Maybe it is a capital letter, capital S. So spelling mistake, you need to take it. So, SHARES. First of all, shares.py. The same thing might be, yeah, okay. Here also I need to change it. The same thing I need to change here also. Anything else? Spelling mistake? Shares info. Here also function name is shares info, no problem. Now you try to run it. So I got the dictionary data. Main program I am running, I got the dictionary data. I want to print it like what? I will say display shares of D. So it is a function I am writing in the same program. How do you write it, students? DEF shares display. I am writing shares here and passing some D formal parameter. I am writing there. What is this now? Print of some small information I am writing because I want to show you some good looking output because this effect is most important. Try to look at. Now I am writing print of. Now I am writing \T, share name, \T, share value. This is the one I am taking. How do you print this now? I am saying that \T, saying that share name will be printed, and then \T, share value also will be printed. For how do you write that down? Share name and share value in where? D dot items. You know this, right? Format of share name, and next is what? Share value. Okay. SH, yes, share name, and then SV. So it is just printed, right? You execute, students, and see the students. Display shares. SHARES. Display shares I need to take care. So see that share name and share value is printed. And I will give one more \T here, students. to print the values properly. This is my situation, students. Are you able to follow? Now, my point of time is, while I am executing this program, careful understand the situation. Once again, I am saying, when you take the situations like this, when I am viewing the cricket update score, there are two things are there. One is called what? View cricket score in internet. One more is what? Change the cricket score. Change the cricket score. Update the cricket score. Update or change. There are two missions are available. In one mission, what is going on? Updation is going on. In one mission, updation is going on. In one more mission, what is going on? Viewing is going on. Are they happening in both of them in same mission? No. Here we don't have two missions. We don't have the two missions. We are having the single mission. How do you manage this? What is my conclusion? Once again, try to understand. When I am running this program, which program? Main program shares demo. This type of share value is updated by what? Shares program who has defined it. This is one program. Who is this? Shares information. And what is this is called? Shares viewing. I am viewing. During the view, some value might be changed. How do you get that changed value? First of all, are you understanding situation? So what is going on? While I am running this program, somebody else may be externally opening this program and then changing. That changed value, I want to get it in where? Main program. How do you view this point? First of all, did you understand this context? Online students, did you understand? Did you understand this context? Everybody tell me. Right. Let me go to for showing this type of thing, I am making my main program. Actually, in the single program, it is not possible. If I run my program directly, I am getting my output. In this fraction of seconds, how can I go and how can I change it? Correct or not? For that, we will apply our intelligence today. I am going to write it. One simple statement I am doing. When shares demo is displayed, I will make my PVM to wait for certain time. Waiting means what? Make the PVM to sleep. That time PVM will go to where? Sleep. Like student.sleep. PVM.sleep is there. So there is a function called what? Time dot what? Sleep. Time is a module. Sleep is a function. How many seconds I am making it to sleep? 10 seconds. Time dot sleep of 10. What is the time? Is one of the predefined module. Are you able to get it? Is one of the predefined module. Import shares comma time. Because of this, what is happening? Write a small message. PVM goes to sleep for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now, PVM is coming out of, I will write it. PVM goes to sleep for 10 seconds. PVM coming out of what? Sleep state. Coming out of sleep and execute the further statements. Which line you are in? Line number 16. This is called what? Line number what? 18. Line number 18. Take students carefully. Observe it. First observe the scenario now. See that cursor is blinking. Cursor is blinking means what? Under sleep for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds are over, what will happen? Coming out of it or not? Right. Observe it once again. See that. PVM goes to sleep state for 10 seconds. Line number 16. 18th line is not coming. 18th line will come after 10 seconds. During the sleeping, one more time. During the sleeping, I will change my shares program. I will do the changes. I'll expect those changes to come to the place when it comes out of the sleep. Did you understand the context? Right. Look at, I'm going to get what? Making it to sleep. I'll go to immediately this program. I will change it as 5001. See that. When it comes out, 17th line, 18th line, I have to get those changes back. Did you understand the context? Well, now you run it. When you rerun the program now, you are getting that change. But in the program execution, I want to get the changes which is modified. That is what this concept says. Understand, ma? So why I am showing that clearly? Because it is a compulsory question. Now I am changing it as what? 51 rupees. That 51 rupees will not come automatically. You have to reload the module concept. You need to use it. Okay. Now you rerun. Now you rerun once again. When you rerun freshly, it is coming across. But during the program execution only, I want to get it. For that, do you know, students, what I am doing in this program? I am calling once again this program. Which one? You see, line number 19. Line number 19. I'm going to print the shares information or not. After sleep, 15 seconds, I will just increase a little more time. So line number 8 coming out of it, calling what program? Shares demo. In this meantime of 15 seconds, what I will do? I'll change my data. Are you getting this context? You have to represent as this. Now finally, I'm going to run my code. See, students, be careful. So it is going to sleep. So I'm going to go to this place. I'm changing. It is a 50 rupees. It is a 40 rupees. It is a 30 rupees. And it is a 60 rupees. Change it and see that it is not going to get it. Am I getting? No. I'm getting what data only? Old data only coming across. Old data only coming across. Definitely what you need. During this program execution, I made my program to sleep. In that I went there. I changed it. Those changes are not coming back. So you need what concept here? Reloading module concept required. Did you understand the situation? How to do this, sir? Once again, try to run it. When I rerun, I'll get the modification. So how many times I will rerun? For every 1 second, I cannot restart my system now. So coming to the point back, run it. Now changes are coming. Go to this place. Now I'm saying 500, 400, 300, 600. I changed it. Those changes will not come here. Old values only coming across again. So after that, old values only coming. Now I need to get new modified values or not. How to get it? For that, I'm going to introduce. Before going to, once you come out of it, before going to do, whatever the changes are there, same thing is coming. Whatever the module I imported, whose modifications only coming, beginning rerunning is getting, same data is going to come even after reload, even after modified also. For that, reload the module. For reloading is concerned, there is a function name called what? Reload of. What is the function name? You need to say what? Module name you need to pass. What is the module name? Shares. Without spelling mistake, this you need to reload. Already you loaded. Already you imported. That gives you what? Original changes. Modified changes are not coming. Reload. Every function of Python belongs to dash. Module. Very good. Module. Every function belongs to what? This belongs to IMP module. What is the name of the module today? IMP module. I will say what now? Import IMP. IMP module. As on today, IMP module. See students, one important point I would like to say. As on today, IMP module deprecated. Deprecated. Do you know deprecation? Do you know deprecation? No, you don't know. You don't know or you know? If you say clearly, I will say, good morning, you are saying nicely now. Do you know deprecated or not? You know, you don't know. If you say like that, I will explain. Suspecting, maintaining, that is not good. Deprecation means, let me explain it. IMP module is deprecated. Deprecated means what? Changed on the name of import lib. IMP import lib. This is a name only. This is the name of the module. You have to write what now? Import lib. Import lib is called what? Module name. So the IMP module is going to be deprecated on the name of what? That is known as what? In software development, very regularly deprecation will be taking place. Suppose there is a student name is called what? Naveen. That is a student name is called Naveen. So Naveen is not reading well, and they contacted one numerologist. The parents of Naveen contacted to what? One numerologist is not studying well and things are not going on well. This parent contacted to one numerologist. And according to numerologist, they said from here and after 2023, Naveen is not Naveen like that. Naveen is what? Naveen. What is this? Double E. So, calling this, what is this earlier is called what? One E. And this adding something like this. So, Naveen, he changed his name on what? Naveen. So, this is known as what? Deprecation name. For which name? Old name. So, from here and after, this will be called as what? Naveen. 2023 is called version. 2022 is called old version. In new version, it is going to be called as 2023. So in 2023, this old version, old name is not continued. This type of import lib is going to be, of course, it is not at CHEM. It is going to be used in 3.12 version. It is going to be using. So in the coming versions, they are going to be used import lib. And from now onwards also, you can use this import lib, they are saying. Are you able to follow? Let's move to the topic. So what I am going to take, let it be IMP I am saying. You will get deprecation warning message is coming. Shall I move now? You will get the answer. You will get the answer because I am using what? Reloading the previously imported module. This module will give you what? This module will give you what information? Old information. After reloading, during the sleeping time, when I reload it and if I print it, new changes will come. Let me show you the new changes here. Execute it. See that. What is my data? 500. Go to that immediately. This place, you just to change it as what? 50, 40. Other things I'm not doing any changes. See students, already deprecation warning came. Output also will come perfectly. So, output also. So, what is happening? Right? Same answer is coming. Deprecation warning message. Just 1 minute, mom. Deprecation warning message. So, coming to this place. In this place, reload this. Let me save it. Here I'm going to take up here. Coming to this place. Yes, you are getting how you need to call it here. I reload it. How you need to call students? What is this? Shares dot. We missed that or not? Yes. Now you execute. You'll get it. Not an issue, student. Not an issue. Start this now. Getting the old data. Go to the place of here. Say 30 and then say 60. You'll be getting it. See that I changed only last two values. You'll be getting the data. Modified values. What happens again? SHA. So, I will just take it. Fine. Shares information. This part I need to go for it. I need to call it and I need to display. Correct or not? Whatever you have done previously, same thing you need to go for doing that. So some delay in the subject. Come on. Next I will do the changes. Go to the place. 500, 400, 300, 600. Now you'll get it. Finished. Now the output is coming. What is the mistake we did? What you are doing? This is the first time getting or not? Same thing, you need to get it here also. Get the data and then display immediately. And meantime, what is happening? You see, what is the message? Deprecation warning. The IMP module is deprecated in favor of what? Import lib. Import lib. Slated for removal in Python 3.12. See the module documentation and use. So go to that place. I will use what now? Wherever IMP is there. From now onwards, I will write what? Import lib. I am writing here also import lib. So the type of meanings will not be coming. Are you able to follow me? So it doesn't mean that you need to write in different places. You can write in the same place, no issue at all. Are you able to understand, students? So are you understanding the reloading? This part is called what? What is this meaning? Reloading the module name. Reloading the module name is comes under import lib. IMP and import lib. Which one is recommended? IMP to use or import lib is recommended to use? Import lib. Now let us start the discussion now. Go to the place. See, no more deprecation messages. I'll go to this place. Shares program, 5 rupees. Next 4 rupees, 30 rupees, 60 rupees. You save it. Control S, you need to do it. You need to do that changes. Am I getting the changed values or not? Right. One more time I will do it. Go to the program now. Again I will call the same. Again I will call the same. Line number 21. Line number 21. Going to sleep for 15 seconds. PVM coming out of the sleep. Coming out of the sleep. Right. Next, what is happening here? I am reloading once again and I am doing the changes. In meantime, so many changes has done. Come on now. This is my original data. This is my original data. Go to 15, 14, 130, 130, 160. Let it be. See that. Done. Changes has done. Getting or not? Again, you go to that 150, 140 and 13 rupees and 6 rupees. Save it. Getting the changed values once again. As and when I am going to do the changes, am I getting the changed values or not? How this effect is coming? Beginning values you observe it. Beginning values you observe it. And this is becoming what? Changed values. And that changed values are coming here. And I am getting the information something like this. Are you able to get it? So, did you understand the meaning of reloading the modules? As online students, did you understand? So, this is 23 line. So, 23 line. So, I hope you are understanding that. Let me show you the concept here. I will show you the concept. Look at that. Start reading now. Come on. To reload a module in Python, we use a predefined function called reload, which is present in IMP module, and it was deprecated in favor of import lib module. So, syntax imp.reload of module name or import lib.reload of module name recommended. Understand? So, we must use this one from here onwards. Purpose or situation I am going to explain. Come on. Reload reloads a previously imported module. In my program, what is the previously imported module? Shares. What I am doing now? What I am doing here? Reload I am saying. Import lib dot what? Reload of shares. What this is nothing but reloading the previously imported module. What is my previously imported module? What I am doing again? Reloading. Why to reload? To get the changed values, updated values, modified values I want to get. Current version of old version is shares. Somebody externally modified. Some other window they modified. Get to for what? Reloading. I am explaining that. Now see that reload function reloads a previously imported module. That is the first point. if we have edited the module source file, by using external editor, that means this one, don't go on writing. This is edited. I changed it. Those changes I am going to get it. If we have edited the module source file by using external editor, and if we want to use those changed values or updated values or new version of the previous loaded module, then we use what? Reload. I hope clear. Now, I am giving you same program here. Share name and then share values, and I'm making it to sleep for certain time, import lib, and I'm getting the same data once again. Are you able to get it, students? So this is a one small concept of it, and we need to run it. So, Seema, Tushara, you are not practicing, I hope so. Is it necessary to run it down? Is it necessary to run, ma? So what you are asking, ma? Tushara? Is it necessary to run it? Where I am using it? Where I am using it? I am using in where? Other program. Module concept is that only. Right? Open the notes now. Is it understandable now? Right. Open the notes. Write a Python program. I'm going to tell you one small use case. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate area of different figures by using menu driven approach. Menu, M-E-N-U, menu driven, D-R-I-V-E-N, menu driven approach. Using modules. Say using modules. Right, students? Look at that. My action plan is something like this. What is my action plan? Is something like this. Menu means you already know that. Do you know menu, students? Right. Look at that. This will give you, from now onwards, you need to come to the use case developments. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to give you figures, areas, figure area calculations, figure area calculations. I'm going to take it. So number one, what is this now? Rectangle I am taking. Next, the second one is called what do you know? Second one is called I am taking here circle. Third one I am taking here square, and for example, are you able to follow? And fifth one I am taking here called what? Exit. This is my menu, students. Menu. So if you want to take close to it, you can take. This is my data. Now I am writing here, enter your choice. If I say 1, rectangle related calculation should come. Circle related calculation should come. Square, like this, I need to write it. Are you able to follow? So this is my menu. To display this type of menu, I am writing file system here. I am taking some file system here. What are the file system I am taking? What are the files I am taking? I am taking, first one is called what? Figure menu. Figure menu is called one type of what? .py. Is called what now? Module name. Every Python is called what? Python program is called module name. Next one is called what? I will take it. Rectangle.py. Writing separate students. .py. Also called what, ma? Module name. Also I am taking what? Circle.py. Also module name. Square.py. Also module name. Next is called what? Module name. Next is called what? Triangle. Triangle.py. Also called what now? Module name. module name. This is called what? Our file system. These many things I am going to. And one main program also I am going to do it. What is that now? So something like, figure demo.py. Figure demo.py. It is comes under what? Main program. Integrates all modules, right? All modules. See, students. Shall we start up? This is my file system, student. Write down. Write a Python program. Open the notes. Okay, 1 minute. Already written, na? You take that in your place. Just make it fast. Make it fast. Come on, make it fast. Now we'll go for okay, guys. Shall we start now? Right. Now I will go to the first program. Figure menu.py is my first program. So see that I'll go for this now. I'll go for this, go to file and then say new, others, and then say Python here. So I'm going to give the file name menu.py. It's called what here? Module name. I'm going to take it. How do you take it now? DEF. Menu I'm taking. Menu. I'm taking there something like that. *50. *50. Take care here. Print off. What is this now? Figure. Whatever the meaning I gave, this you need to take it. So I'll take it like that. Now I'm writing there. Print off \t. One for what? Rectangle. One for rectangle. Here I will write it. Next I am writing name. I'll write it next. I'll write it. So I'll go on keeping that information here. And the second one and third one I will take it. 2 for circle. Circle I will take it. Circle I am taking. Next is called what? Triangle. I want to take it square. Square also I will take it. Square I am taking. And third one is called what? Triangle. Fourth. So you need to take up fourth. And the fifth one I will take it called what? Exit. I will write it exit here. Okay. This is related to what? Function. Once you are taking anything is a module, students, see that it should be always what? See that it should be always what? Function must be there. Then you go for saving it into this place. Here I'm going to keep it here. Figure menu.py. Then I will write one main program immediately. What is my file system? Figure demo.py I will write it. So I'm going to write it. Here I'm taking a new Python program. See that now demo.py. Now I'm taking here. Now I want to call that function. Which one I want to call? Menu. I'm calling it as a menu. So how do you do that, ma? Menu. So I need to import what? This module name I need to import. So you must habituate by doing this type of use cases from what is What is this now, student? From figure menu, import what? Menu. Already you know various syntaxes. You try to save it, students, and then observe it. Save it in the same place and go to the command prompt. Try to run it. Py figure demo.py. Now my skeleton is ready. My skeleton is ready. So I will go to what here? I'll take ch is equal to int of input of what I'm doing. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay. Now see, students. Now I'm getting enter your choice. Any one of the choice, I will go for it. I'll go for what next? Come on. Match. Match of what? ch. What is this now? Case 1. Code for what? Rectangle. Code for what? Code I will write it. Rectangle code I will write it. Similar, I will write the code for that. Similarly, I will write what? Case 2 also I will write it. Case 2 also I am writing. And next is called what? Case 3 also I will write it. Case 3 also I will write it. Case 4 also I will write it. And then next case 5 also I will write it. Case 5 I am writing. What is the case 5? Exit. Exit. So in the exit part, and I will write it. One small thing. One more also I will write it. Wait for that. Now I am writing one more. Underscore I will write it. What is this underscore? I will write a message. After that, your selection of operation or selection of choice. Choice is wrong. Try again. Try again. Are you able to understand? Try again. If it is try again means I have to make it to go once again or not. That time I will write what? While true. You already know this logic, students. Yes. While true, I'll take it. And moreover, when you are going to say what? Exit. Print off, I'm going to write it. So I'm going to write it. Thanks for using this program. Using this program, I can say what here? Break, I can use it. Are you able to understand? Break, I can use it. So I said break is also done. And 1, 2, 3, 4 code I need to write it. Just to try to run once. Try to run once here. Just cancel this and then run freshly. Enter your choice. What happens? Case 2. Okay. So I will write pass. I'll write pass. I did not write anything now. Pass. I should say pass. I should say pass. Well, you run this code, students. Enter your choice. What happens? Indentation error. Remove this. Now you execute it. So, enter. Rectangle kind of thing. I'll say something like 12. Choice is 12. Which is going to say your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. And -2, -3. Your selection of operation is wrong. You say 5. You say 5. Coming out of it. Thanks for using this program and you are coming out of it. Online students. So, go to the place of it. Shall I move forward now? Yes, now go to the place now. I'll say this now. I'll move to further now. So students in online, take care. Now I'm going to move further. Here I will write which code? Rectangle code I will write it. For that, what is my file system which I designed? Rector.py. I'll go to the new Python program. See that Python program here. I will write it. Rector.py. Come on, DEF. What I am going to do? I am going to say rect area is my function name. I'm going to take it. L is equal to float of input of enter. What is that? Length. Enter length. If you want to take in same line also, you can do, students. Multi-line assignment, you know, na? Multi-line assignment, you know. Enter length, comma. You say what? Enter breadth. Enter breadth. Enter breadth. Okay. Now AR is equal to what? L into B you say. Now I'm going to say, I'm going to write it. Area of rectangle is equal to what? Dot format of what? AR. This is related to what? Rector related thing. Save this code, students. Go to that. Done. Take the same thing and try to take the next. What is the next I am taking? I will take it circle. Circle.py. Circle.py. Module name. Circle area. Circle area. Say what here? Radius. Only radius I will take it. Or enter radius. Enter radius. Okay. Radius. I will take up next. What is this now? Area of circle is equal to AC is equal to what? 3.14 into R star 2. Area of circle is equal to what I am doing? AC. I am giving AC here. This is related to what? Circle.py. Circle.py. Another module. Right. Take the same example. Square, I will go for it. Square. I am going to square. So see that what is happening? Square.py. Square.py. Module name. What is this now? Square area. Square area. Square area I am going to take it. Enter what? Come on, side. Enter side. This is called a little. I am taking the variable name S. Area of square area is equal to S into S I will write it. S square I will say. S star 2. Area of what here? Square. Area of square. Done. No? SA. Yes. SA. Don't take AS. AS is a keyword or not? No keywords to be taken as variable names. That's why I took it as what? SA. Save this code. Square.py. Square.py. Now I got it. Next is called what you know? I am going to take it. Triangle I am going to take it. Triangle. I am going to take it. Triangle here. So I am going to take it. Triangle.py. TRI. I will just say triangle.py. So I am going to say TRI. I will say TRI area. I will take it what here you know? Base and height I will take it. Base and height I will take it. Of BH formula I want to use it. You know of BH na? You don't know? Sir, you tell me what we know, sir. Enter what? Base. Enter what? Height. Height. And what is the answer now? TA is equal to triangle area is equal to what? 1 by 2 into B into what? H. B into H. Triangle. I think you know already this type of thing. This is called what you know H and this is called B and you are doing. And there is another way there. A, B, C. When sides are given, you can find the area. When base and height is given, this is a formula. When sides are given, what is that formula? Square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus C. Where S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2. This is one beautiful formula. Are you able to follow? So, coming to the point of it. Area of square is equal to SA. And that I will write what? TA. So, done students. So, save this example. Save this now. Done. Fine. Coming to the point back. Area of square is equal to format of TA. Now almost everything is done. Ma? Okay. Here message. Area of triangle is equal to. Okay. Now coming to the main program once. Coming to the main program here, figure demo. Now you write the code. What is this code now? Come on, students. Now I am going to give you some small twisting here. You see, I'll go for some small thing. Here I will take area. I will take area. Everything I am taking area only. I want to give you some very good awareness today. This is the one I am taking. This is the one I am taking. Here also square also what? Area. Square also area I am taking. Everything is area related things only taking. Coming to this place also I am taking area only. You observe it what is happening. Coming to the main program. I will call it as what here? What is that one? Area. What should I do here also? Area I am calling. Here also area. Here also area. Now, here also I will call it as area. Area is a function present in where? From rect, import area. Next I will take it what? From square area. Next is what? From triangle, import area. From where? Circle, import area. Import area. Now, which area will be considered here? Latest one, because PVM is an interpretation process. Even though you taken this many areas, you try to run this code, it is considered this area only. Even if you give the rectangle area, this will be calling the area of the latest one only. Latest one only you get it. Execute your program now. Coming to this back, say this now. Line number 12. Line number 12, okay. Remove this pauses. Because I am writing the code now. I am writing the indentation block. Well, you remove that and then run this code and see this triangle. No module named found triangle. See that once. T small, okay. T small students. In the main program, you call it as small t. Okay. Now see that asking. What is my one? You see what is asking. Radius it is asking. If I say 3, I am getting, but my requirement is this circle, rectangle, and this is giving like this. Are you following me? You go for 3, you go for it. 3. For 3 also square only. 5. For T also, for what is that now? 4th you see. 4th also radius, 6. For second also correct. Only for second it is giving correct. So how do you do that now? How can you come out of that? Say 5. It is coming out of it. Go to that. Can you solve this issue? How? Aliya's name. My dear students, you are sincere but not reading. You are sincere, not reading. So, RA. As what? SA. Right? As TA. As what? CA. Come on, case 1 is what? RA. Next is second one is what? SA. Next is what? TA. What is this now? That's all. Now see that what are these things are called? Alias names. People will ask, this is a construct question. When all modules are containing, when different modules are containing same function, how can you do by using from import? How can I do? By using alias name. By using what? Alias name. See that? Do this now. Number 1, length 23 and 45. Answer is coming. Second one, you go for it. Enter your choice. Manam marcham agada. You need to take it. You go for it. What should I write now? CA. In this place I'll write SA. So you only said that. So 2 radius 2.3 got the answer. Next is 3 could help in Malla. So in third place I should write what? SA. In this place I will write what? TA. Now it is correct. Number 1. Everything. 12 and then 13. Answer is coming. 2 radius 2.3. Answer is coming. Enter your choice 3. Side value 4. Answer is coming. Next 4th I am entering. 4 Enter your choice 4. 3 and then 6. Answer is coming of BH. Are you following? Next is called what you know? Finished. All of them are over. Are you getting this? So if I am entering 456 is my choice. Selection of choice is wrong. You need to enter like this. Are you following? Right. This is called what approach? This is called what approach? Figure demo. This is called from approach. This is with alias name. If you want same thing, let me show you in another way, student. 2 main programs I will show you. From the same thing with what? Figure demo 1.py I will say. In this case, I will go for what? If they contain the same thing now, you can do like this. What is that? Import what? Rect. That time I can call it as what? Coming to rectangle. What I will do? Rect as what? R. I will take it as what? R dot area. With what? Import approach I am saying. With import approach I am saying. Next is called what? Come on. Import square. Yes. Yes, I am saying. Wherever SA is there, you call it as what? S dot what? Area. You remove that. You remove that. Next what? Import triangle as what? T. Wherever TA is there, you say what? T dot what? Area. Import a circle. As what? C. As a C, I'm going to give C dot CA. This is called what? C dot what? Area. You say like this. Are you following me? Try to save this code. This also can be called. Like this also you can call. Once we know the subject, you can do everything. If you don't know, then only the problem will come. 1.py. Output is this. 1, 4 and then 6. Done. Next is called 2. So some 4. Output is like this. And 3. And then say some 6. And next is called 4. Say some 100. And then say some 50. So the output is something like this. Are you able to get it? And if I say something like -4, you are getting this type of things. Selection of operation is wrong. And if I say this exit, and I say exit, break, it is taking break. Okay, something is entered. Now you say 5. 5 you say. It is coming out of it. We are using what? Break we are using. Instead of break, you can use one more thing. sys.exit. I can use sys.exit. What is sys? Is a module. Exit is a function. Exit is a function. I can say import what? Sys. What is the difference between sys.exit and break? When I use break statement, when it comes out of it, it will execute other statements in the program. For example, after this while loop is over, I'm going to say print. I am here. After what? While loop. After while loop, I am saying. When you say exit, it will not continue the program at all. It stops physically. Execute the program now. Figure demo 1. If I say something like 5, it is just coming out of it. It won't execute anything. Are you following? You go to that. You use here what? Break. It is coming out of the while loop and it continues the other statements that I told you already in my classes. Once again, I am showing. The 5th one is called what? Thanks for using the program. I am here after the while loop, but here no more things are coming. So sys.exit is another way. Sys.exit. It gives you what? Physical termination of the program. So physical termination of program, students. Physical termination of program. Physical termination of the program, students. Are you able to get it? Online students, are you comfortable? So, he is asking, who is that? Ahmad is asking, sir, why we use match? I already explained, my dear student. 7 a.m. What is that now? Conditional statements. Because if you ask such type of very complex questions at this time, it's very difficult for me. Match case already explained. This is the concept already explained. These are all very complex questions to me because that stage is already we crossed it. Right. So why we use match case, why we use if else statement, why we use while loop, we already crossed that stage. Okay. Right. So this is about what? One example on match case. Tomorrow I'll go for what? Packages we will introduce. Are you able to follow? Right. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to say this concept is completed. Reloading the modules and programming example. And modules is not only one day topic. It is continuously throughout my entire course I'm using modules. And tomorrow I'm going to use what? Right. Packages I'm going to discuss. That is only one day. Only because only 2 lines are there. Only 2 lines are there. And tomorrow you'll get lot of confusion. Lot of confusion will come. 50% of the people will not understand. And that too sleeping people will not understand more and more. So come with a little active tomorrow. And if you bring your laptop, it's better if you want to do it. And tomorrow I will reuse the same code as it is. I'm not going to type anything. 2 things are there. Sister dot, path dot, append. Package concept you will understand because I'm shifting the window. PyCharm to Edit Plus to Jupyter Notebook to Ideally. When I'm shifting all these things now, you will get confused. Why? You are now practicing. Are you really practicing daily? Who is practicing daily? You please raise the hands. Daily. Don't tell lies. Daily. I know girls will practice. Okay. Boys. Boys raise the hands. Very good. See, only one boy is practicing out of these many. What are you doing? Bharat is also practicing. Bharat is also raising the hand. Right? What others will do, I don't know. Okay, Deepak is also practicing. Oh, Umakant is saying only revision he will do. So, okay students, because I told in my beginning classes, practicing is must. Okay. Anyhow, I will stop my class. Tomorrow I am going to introduce package. After the package is over, I am going to discuss about what? What is the concept I am going to use? Exception handling I will use. Tomorrow packages will be over. Yes. Who is this ma? Chejerla Rekha. She is saying the same message from last 4 or 5 classes onwards. Such a small thing if you don't find ma. I'm seeing that ma Rekha. I'm seeing the same message from so many days onwards you are keeping. So swap case is a small example. Count will give you number of occurring. Find will give you. That is very simple. Suppose if it is not there in that notes, you can go for that. So Raval is asking, sir, how many days classroom has access? What is that classroom access? Google Classroom. Okay. So if I say tomorrow is ending, what you will do? What is that is? Why they are asking, they're asking, why they are asking. They did not download so far. If you want to download now, body will not cooperate. These are the original facts I'm saying. That's why they are asking how many days this access will be there. Suppose if my Google Drive percentage of allotment of memory is full, I will remove the some of them. That time what I will do? That's why daily download and preserve in your hard disk. Tomorrow download, day after tomorrow download, 1 week after the download means your body will not cooperate. Lazy now. That's why. And don't feel it because I will speak only facts. I'll speak only facts. Why mobile? So that's why you try to download daily, mom. So who is that? Who is that? Ravali, see, mom. You try to take care and try to follow. The daily download at least. If you ask, sir, will the Google Drive class is there for lifelong? That question itself is a wrong question. write it download, try to write the notes. Are you writing notes daily? Daily writing notes. Daily. How many of them writing the notes daily? Are you writing? No. Google Drive class, depending. Okay. So anyhow, write it, ma. Try to write it very well and try to follow. Okay, students, take care. And tomorrow, don't miss it. Important session. Take care. Students in the online, Tushara.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma.
Regarding modules only, I have one doubt. Like, if you use the file name and the function name same, what happens in that case, sir?
Nothing will happen, ma. You have to write the same thing. Suppose you are using triangle here. Here also triangle. Same thing you need to write, na.
I have
Import.
tried it, sir. I have tried it. I was getting name error, sir. That is
See, ma, spelling mistakes you take it. For example, go to once. Go to once here. For example, you go like this, you take it. One example I will show you. See, I will take it. See, one example I am taking.
Okay.
Oh, I will take your name, THU, SHA, RA dot py. What is it? Module name. This is a module name. So I'll take DEF, same file, same. It's easy, not a difficult. Of. I say Python student. Now I'm writing the message called Python student. So I'm saving on my file name. Go to the main program. Something like this I'm writing. So giving the program name as demo, tusharademo.py. What I'm calling that file, I'm calling the function. This is the function name. How do you do that? You need to import. How do you import?
Import
Tushara. Import.
Tushara.
Same. I'm getting this. Run this code. Save in the place. Save in the place. Execute. Py. Demo.py. Answer is coming.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next student is Kalyan.
Hi, sir. I have two questions, sir.
Yes.
So can we go to the notes, sir, once regarding the reload module?
Reloading module.
I don't have much. I just want to, So the other question what I have is basically the break statement is not working in. I'm not sure it's not working or something, but when I execute the same code, right, what we have created for the menu, right, sir, the break statement is not coming out of the while loop, sir, even though it's a break is there.
Can you post your code? Can you post your code?
Yeah, I can post my code right here, sir.
Break statement is post it.
I am posting, sir. I'm just pinging you the code, what I've written. In the PyCharm, so this is something which
no problem.
I'm executing in the PyCharm.
So
I'll just ping you the code.
Your code. This I'll take this code in PyCharm.
Correct. The only thing is whatever you have, right, sir, for the menu, you just need to import, sir, that one.
That only.
No, you need to import. I have given the while loop condition only, sir. Might be in. I have a menu, right?
No
sir?
problem, no problem. Yeah. That menu also, I will bring my menu.
Perfect, sir. That's where I was trying.
So,
So I put it like that. Menu related, I will bring this code.
Perfect.
So menu, here it is available.
Yeah, figure. You can directly call it also, sir, from import. You can
You cannot call it. That is package concept. It will be.
Okay. No, but
That is a package concept.
No, like from we write the statement called from and then figure and we can do that, right, sir?
So this I will call in this place, figure menu.
Okay. It's the same file, right, sir? A file only, right, sir?
From import menu. So figure demo, this is a figure menu. It is given on the name called figure demo.
Demo. Okay, fine.
No problem. We give it as this is a figure demo. Okay, not this part. Menu related. Okay.
That's okay, sir. You can from figure demo you can write, sir, in my
figure
name.
Demo, I will write it.
Right. Yeah. Perfect.
Right.
So now when we run, it will execute. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, everything works perfectly fine, sir. Because there's a pass and it moves out.
5.
Yeah. This is where it doesn't break sound, comes out. It goes to the while loop again. And if I use system exit, it gives me an error actually.
Match case number 5.
So the match true is not able to identify.
Here you should write CH. Match, it is
but
coming.
While loop.
No. You are writing true. That is
okay. Now I think I understand.
That is a mistake.
Okay. Sorry, sir. I think my mistake, sir.
Okay.
I haven't seen.
So 5th, it is coming out.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sorry for my mistakes.
No problem.
I should have checked. I checked properly.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, students, take care and practice well and don't miss tomorrow class. Important.